If you're on the hunt for a solid open source analytics platform, you might want to check out Umami Analytics. But does it really deliver on its promises, or are there some hidden pitfalls? Let's dive in and find out. Umami Analytics is designed to provide a straightforward way to track website traffic without the complexity of traditional analytics tools. Right off the bat, the user interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even for those who might not be tech savvy. It offers features like real-time data tracking, customizable dashboards, and privacy-focused metrics, which is a big draw for many users today. What stands out is its commitment to privacy. It doesn't use cookies and respects user anonymity, which is increasingly important in today's digital landscape. However, while it covers the basics well, there are areas where it feels a bit limited. For instance, advanced features like detailed user segmentation or funnel analysis aren't as robust as you might find in more established platforms. It's clear that Umami is geared towards small to medium-sized businesses or individual website owners, but larger enterprises might find it lacking in depth. Now, let's break down some of the pros and cons. On the positive side, Umami's simplicity is a huge advantage. The setup process is straightforward, and the privacy features are a big plus for those concerned about data tracking. However, there are some frustrations. The lack of advanced analytics capabilities could be a deal breaker for users who need deeper insights into their data. Additionally, while it's open source, some may find the documentation lacking, which can make troubleshooting a bit tricky. Pricing isn't an issue since it's free, but that brings us to trust concerns. While the community is growing, it still doesn't have the same level of support or reputation as some bigger players in the analytics space. If you're looking for something comprehensive, you may want to look elsewhere. In summary, Umami Analytics is a solid choice for small businesses or individuals looking for a simple, privacy-focused analytics tool. If you need advanced features though, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels worth trying, especially if you prioritize user privacy and ease of use.